Hi friends, this video shows how to do factory data reset. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Tap on general management. Go down. Tap on reset. Go down. Tap on factory data reset. Go down. Tap on this reset button. Then tap on delete all. Here we should be careful because this operation would delete all data from your phone, including your photos, videos, contacts, everything. If you are okay with that, you can go ahead and tap on delete all. So that way we can do factory data reset. We get a fresh phone. So this way we can do factory data reset. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.